Hi, are your channel not getting enough views? Like your views are within the range of 100 to 200 views. So definitely you need to do certain settings in the YouTube, which will actually increase your channel views and also increase your channel chances of getting monetized. So let me show you how to do it, and by this experiment your channel actually can grow a lot. I myself have experienced this, and let me show you how you can actually do that. And after that you need to go to YouTube Studio. Okay, so once you go to YouTube Studio, you need to go to settings, right? So once you go to settings, you need to go to upload default. Okay, you need to change the visibility to private. Why you have to change the visibility to private? Because so what happens is when you immediately make the video public, then the problem that arises is YouTube doesn't get sufficient chance to actually divide the viewers who are going to watch your content based on the videos that you are actually uploading. So YouTube algorithm kind of gets confused on how what exactly your videos are about. But when you make it to private, then you give YouTube a chance to actually to give proper timing, so that the YouTube can actually give the correct amount of and the correct number of viewers to you based on the YouTube algorithm. Another thing, obviously, you need to give title, like whatever your channel is about. You may go to ChatGPT if you want. uh, Let me show you how. Just go to ChatGPT and you may just write what is your channel about. I make videos on YouTube. I give digital marketing tips. Also, make sure to maintain give some tags like YouTube marketing, digital marketing. Okay. So description also, you can go to ChatGPT. Let's see. Give me a description to description with sufficient sufficient keywords to paste in YouTube regarding YouTube marketing. So then it's so you can just copy and just tweak it little bit, and just write in the description. Yeah. So this is how you are actually giving chance to YouTube to actually gain sufficient amount of followers, and also to catch the algorithm that what exactly your channel is based on. You can write that I make videos on YouTube regarding regarding digital marketing tips. Yeah. And after that, Visibility should be private because you want the YouTube algorithm to catch what exactly you are doing. And then tags you need to really give popular tags for YouTube regarding digital marketing. See, these are the tags you can give popular tags for YouTube marketing. So then ChatGPT is going to suggest you the popular tags that you can use. So I'm going to use this, Control C, and let's see. I hope the tag works. No, there's too many. So just write it, like copy it one by one according to the niche. YouTube marketing, how to grow YouTube channel. I mean, I'm just showing you right now, and the description obviously you have to write. Tweak it a little bit. Yeah. YouTube marketing, grow your YouTube channel. It's very important to actually give tags, guys, because if you don't give tags, then YouTube is not going to recognize what exactly your channel is all about. Go to advanced setting. You have to give categories. You know why you have to give categories? Because you want the algorithm to recognize that what is your why you are actually posting, what is the subject of your video, like what is the category of your video. Like for example, if your video is in comedy niche, then you should use comedy. If your video is about bakers, then you should post about bakers. If your video is about singing, dance, then you should post about singing. If it's about gaming, if it's about beauty, lifestyle, or if it's about makeup tutorials, then maybe how to style. And if it's about people and blogs, then it's about blog. If you are doing a blog, then you can post about that. And if it's about education, like I am trying to educate you on how you should be actually posting your videos on YouTube, then you have to give a education category. Video language, obviously you should make it to the language that you want. I would give English, United States. Title and description language, again I have to give English, United States. Comment should be on. Show how many viewers like this video. So you know what, you clip this out, you switch it off. You know why? Because usually when you're starting out your channel, then you may not get sufficient amount of likes or views inside your channel, and that may be a very big problem. But when you make the viewers like off, then automatically viewers will not know how many people are actually liking your video, and YouTube algorithm recognizes each and every like that you do. So in that way you can actually basically make YouTube basically dupe YouTube algorithm to believe that a lot of people are actually viewing your channel. So make it off, okay, and then just save it. Okay, after I have saved it, another thing you have to do is upload default is done, private is done, permission, channel country of residence which you want to select, India, in wherever you want to select, you can do United States. Keywords, again, it's important to use keywords, because if you don't use keywords, then YouTube is not going to recognize what your channel is about. So I'm going to tell you how to get the keyword. Give keywords for YouTube marketing. See, these are the keywords that you can use for YouTube marketing. Control C and paste. Okay, I think I'm given a lot. Maybe I don't need to give so many. So, yeah. So you want the channel to recognize, right, what exactly you want to do. Okay, this is very long, so you have to just paste it like one by one. And so just paste it one by one. It's very important. These are the settings that we just don't realize, and actually it really affects our channel. So just save it. And again, I'm going to the setting. Channel, I've done advanced setting. So is your channel made for kids or not? You need to post, no, this set is not made for kids, because the reason why, because you know why, because if your channel is just made for kids, then if you post this, yes, this channel is made for kids, and if it's not about kids, then you will have very few number of people actually watching your videos. And you can just link the channel to YouTube. This is the link account. Once your channel gets monetized, you can actually link your channel with Google Ads, so that Google Ads can run in your channel. Automatic caption. Automatic caption. Automatic caption is very important. You need to use that. And disable interest, allow viewers to click my content. So this is something which you have to set it off, because sometimes what happens, any viewer can actually download your video and clip your video with them, and they may just put a copyright claim, and you will not get monetized, or your channel monetization it may affect. So make sure to avoid that. Third party training. What is exactly third party training? It basically means you are allowing third-party companies to train AI models using the channel content. It can be ChatGPT or any of them. So you can select if you want. I have selected all third-party companies can actually use my model to train the content, and this actually helps helps YouTube and your channel to grow in a wide range of audience. So you have to do that, and you have to save it and go to settings, and again go to upload default, permission, channel, features, eligibility. Yeah. So these are very simple setting that you need to do, and it's very, very important, guys, because if you don't do these settings, then your channel will not grow, and it will be stuck. Another setting you can use is, one sec. So in the comment section, basic, better to hold none, because then you're not going to get a lot of comments if it's I mean, you can use that section once you have reached like a wide number of people who are like talking about it, but before that it's better to avoid. And you just have to save. That's it. Just have to save it. So this is how exactly YouTube algorithm works, and this is how the settings you're supposed to do so that the YouTube algorithm can actually work for you. So I just hope that you really like my channel. If you really like my videos, then please don't forget to subscribe, comment on my channel, because this gives me more encouragement to actually make more interesting videos for you, which can help you a lot. Take care, guys.